Delegation of students from 10 schools and colleges met Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand at the Chief Minister's Secretariat on Thursday. The student delegation demanded implementation of National Register of Citizens (NRC) in Manipur before census. The students also urged the Chief Minister to press the centre to conduct NRC before census to identify illegal immigrants. They also appealed for reopening of educational institutions and demanded that NRC issue be discussed in the forthcoming State Assembly session. Chief Minister Khemchand assured the delegation that the state government would move a discussion on implementation of NRC in Manipur during the Assembly session beginning September 2. He said the government supports implementation of NRC in the state while noting that conducting the exercise and ensuring its error-free implementation are two issues that need to be addressed. The meeting was attended by Education Commissioner Nithojam Joffrey and Director of Education SNG Bugendra Maite. The student delegation represented DM College of Science, Manipur College, CC Higher Secondary School, Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Nambol Higher Secondary School, TG Higher Secondary School, Ibotonsana Girls Higher Secondary School, Ramlal Pal School, Model Higher Secondary School and Ananda Singh Higher Secondary School.